Welcome back, everyone. Wow, if you've been following along with us, huge congratulations are in order. We have officially reached the final chapter, Chapter 10, of our guide from Virtualization Options LLC. That's the Colorado-based technology research, education, and advisory organization who brought us this incredible framework. Their guide, Artificial Intelligence for Everyday Life, a friendly guide for older adults, has really opened our eyes to just how much AI is already sprinkled into our daily routines. So today, we're focusing entirely on your next steps. We're keeping things friendly, super simple, and entirely non-technical. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our quick roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Your next steps. 2. Start small this week. 3. Finding helpful resources. And 4. You have got this. So you know exactly what to expect, and trust me, this is going to be incredibly manageable.
Section 1. Your next steps. This is where we figure out how to take all this fantastic new knowledge and turn it into practical, everyday actions.
You've come so far. Now let's talk about what to do tomorrow, next week, and beyond. It is so true, you know. You've successfully navigated the basics of a technology that, frankly, sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But as we've seen, it's actually incredibly practical. So let's look at a gentle, totally easy plan for tomorrow. Moving right along to Section 2, start small this week. It's all about growing at your own pace.
Now, our overarching strategy here, we are absolutely not trying to become computer programmers overnight. Scratch that entirely. This is all about taking tiny, easy actions to slowly build your comfort level. And this beautifully illustrates how simple getting started is. Just try asking your voice assistant, you know, the one on your smartphone or that smart speaker in your living room, one new question daily. You could ask for today's weather forecast before you head out, or maybe a recipe for a dinner you've been dying to try. Or hey, ask for a fun fact about a topic you absolutely love. Keeping the stakes this low with just everyday tasks is hands down the best way to practice.
Section 3. Finding helpful resources. Because you absolutely don't have to do this alone. There is so much patient, helpful support out there. I want to deeply reassure you right now, if you want to learn a bit more at your own pace, there are incredibly helpful resources readily available. For instance, you can type this exact simple search phrase into YouTube, ChatGPT for beginners, older adults. Hitting search on that will bring up these wonderful, friendly, step-by-step video walkthroughs. You'll find patient teachers who explain things so clearly at a fantastic pace and literally without any of that confusing tech jargon.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is it reminds us to look beyond the internet. Don't forget about your local library. The guide points out that many libraries offer absolutely free tech help sessions. You literally just have to ask at the reference desk. Libraries are these amazing community hubs offering real, face-to-face human help. And often, you don't even need an appointment. You can just walk right in. And that brings us to Section 4. You have got this. We're going to focus entirely on getting into the right mindset and stripping away any remaining science fiction intimidation.
To wrap up our journey, let's remember this fundamental truth. AI is simply a tool, just like a telephone or, say, a microwave. Think back to when the microwave was first introduced. Sure, it made heating up a meal a whole lot easier, but it certainly didn't stop us from enjoying family dinners or chatting around the table. AI is exactly the same thing. It is not going to replace human connection. It just quietly makes everyday life a little easier, a little richer, and once you get comfortable with it, it actually helps you stay more connected to the world around you.
Let's move to and see how this builds. To really boost your confidence, the guide offers 3 core mantras to keep in your back pocket. First up, be curious. Every question is a great question, so just start asking. Seriously, you cannot break these systems by asking a silly question, so empower yourself to ask anything, totally without fear.
Second mantra, be patient. Learning anything new takes a little time. You've got this. Take a deep breath and just remind yourself that every single expert out there was once a beginner. Whether it was learning to drive a car for the first time or figuring out your very first cell phone, it took a little practice, right? Patience really is all you need here.
And our third and final mantra, enjoy the journey. The best is truly yet to come. AI is simply here to help you enjoy that journey and stay connected to your passions and, most importantly, to your loved ones. Think of it as a supportive little companion designed to take some of those minor, everyday frustrations out of your day.
So the next step is completely up to you. What will you ask your AI assistant today? Will it be a new recipe, the afternoon weather, or maybe just a fun piece of trivia? But more importantly, how will you let this new tool open up your world tomorrow? You now have the tools, the resources, and the confidence to step into the future right now. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer journey. Get out there, stay curious, and have a wonderful time exploring.